evening, everyone. I'm here again to cook for you tonight. I have prepared this very simple dinner for tonight. I have this green round cabbage with half carrots. I got only half carrots, and today we have this ginger. Look at this. I got a lot of ginger. So when you want to keep your ginger at your home longer, you don't need or you should not wash them. So let the mud a little bit or soil a little bit stick into the ginger so that it still can fresh in a long time. Then I have my dry shrimp just for taste, and I have my vermicelli noodles. So that's what I'm gonna prepare for tonight. So first, let me peel this half carrots. Half carrots, it's just enough with I just cook how much I can eat for one time. So I just peel this carrots. Okay, it's very fast one. And let me prepare everything, and I have to peel also this, which we have to cook in different this is Asian vegetable style. So look at this. I have all this kind, and I got my oyster sauce, light soy. Then I have to mix it into a 1 cloves of garlic. So have to prepare all those. Then actually I don't use all this half. I just got into a 1/4 of this cabbage. I gonna finish all when I cook. So look at this. So I have to like this. Just let this part away. So this is more than enough for the so this cabbage I just cut it. I cut or slice into a big size, something like this. When you separate them piece by piece, then the cutting is like this. So look at this, and just cut the middle one like this. So I have to Okay, and a little bit shower with the water. Okay, and these carrots, just cut into like this, and like this. It's a very simple. Okay, and this ginger, just to cut into like this. Okay, all right, and the garlic. Nice. So we have to let me, is it this or that one? I have to use this. Okay, so first I have to switch it on and set into my pan fry. It's very easy to heating up this. Then add a little bit oil. Actually, I don't need that too much oil. Now I have to add the dry shrimp and ginger, garlic, like that. So easy and very simple. Just let it fry to let the fragrance coming out. I'm just happy cooking. So let it still a little bit browny with the ginger and so okay, then have to add this carrots and of course this, wait, let me mix up first, and this cabbage. Okay, so let me okay, then I have to mix, put a pinch of salt, and this time I'm gonna use my white pepper a little bit soy, not too much, and mix it. Okay. Then I have to add a little bit water. And let the heat a little bit high, then wait to boil. So after boiling, when the water boil, okay, then have to add this vermicelli noodles. This is actually I have no idea. This is not rice noodles. I call this vermicelli. Glass noodles. Okay? So, let me add a little bit more to make sure the vegetable cook enough. Then, I have to cover it. And I have my little spring onion and parsley fresh. So I have to cut it then like this. So let's see. Oh, so nice. And before I mix it up, I have to add a little bit oyster sauce. Oyster sauce. I love oyster sauce. Okay. And let everything mix. This is so yummy and delicious vegetable. So it's so easy and very simple, this kind of recipe. So now it's very easy and it's cooked enough really. And I have to add this green. Okay. So let mix. Okay. Then cook enough. So simple and very easy. So if you haven't tried this before, then you may try it now and tell me what you can, how you like it. I mean, and this is nice. So I have to switch it off. You can do it also into a beef or chicken meat or anything else. So I'm gonna serve you. Look at this. So it's very beautiful and very shiny. We have the vermicelli into it. Look, and we have a soft vegetable, soft carrots, and if you don't want to eat the dry shrimp, then you may change into a meat. So easy to follow. And thanks for watching. Hope you like it. And see you again next videos. Bye.